Good afternoon. It's 4:37 on a Sunday afternoon. I'm unboxing the SIMPSON 4 GPM 4200 PSI power washer. Just giving a quick review for Amazon. First thing I did was remove this red threaded cap, and installed the black breather cap. There's a nice looking logo there. I like that. It's another logo. Looks good. Screen in place. I already checked the filter once. Before I do that, looks like the obligatory dent on the product from unhappy workers. I'm sure no sign of a scratch of the paint. Seems about 100% of products I get shipped a dent somewhere. Usually not that visible. Usually on the gas tank. So I haven't read the instructions yet. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. Familiar with the turn-on procedures. I like the fact that you get a full ration of AMS oil, small engine oil. Very nice. It's a heavy-duty pressure wand, kind of feeder tube for your cleaner concentrate chemicals. Really good plastic. Looks like it's pretty ergonomic. SIMPSON. Everything appears to be interchangeable and universal. Very impressed with the looks. I don't know if I should video this, but there's the numbers, and here's the hardware that comes with it. Here's the handle and the side handle. This is interesting. Comes with the visual of your turn-on procedures. Starting with 1, unscrew the cap, install this item here. Put the attach the wand. Shows you a little visual how to attach the wand. Another picture of the wand and its hardware. Very important. Turn on the water. Turn on these. Doesn't show here, but I would definitely want to make sure there's flow coming out the wand. Turn on the pump. This is a manually started pump. That's going to be challenging, but let's see what happens. All right, number 10. It looks like either a post choke or some kind of turn on procedure. I'll go over all this prior to starting again. You see this 30-second time for the wand. 30 seconds. All right, well, I'm happy that I made this. And there's a placard there, a plastic one. Looks like some of these are also on that placard. The most important parts. Okay. Hey everybody, have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
This is what kind of machine SIMPSON sells you. Watch this. Do not buy a SIMPSON. Look at this oil that I am leaking. Look at this.
Do you have any oil in there?
Yeah, it has plenty of oil. This is like the 6th time this machine has ran. At the most 6 times. And this is what I get. Look at that. It will separate it, push it back in. That is not supposed to happen. Look at that. That is the type of leakage you get when you buy a SIMPSON machine. It's the 4200 professional pressure washer, 4 gallons per minute. And I do not recommend it one bit. When I bought this machine, I had to email SIMPSON because this part would not allow my hose to adapt in. This whole piece was completely thrashed when it came in. It was bent. The BBs inside of this, where you disconnect and connect, would not allow for any connection because the BBs were stuck. So I had to go immediately, the same day after I bought it and it came in, to go and buy a new piece, okay? After I had just spent $1,000 on this machine. So I do not want, like I said, watch this. I should not do that. It should not separate like that. There should not be that much oil on here. Should not be able to do that.
During shipping, this frame piece right here gets bent over onto that, and this becomes warped, the AAA outlet valve. This is the second SIMPSON pressure washer I've received like this. This was the first one. You cannot even stick that in there. Won't go in. This would not even move back when I received it. I just bent it over. But that's what's causing all these issues with these SIMPSONs.